Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we will briefly look at the product increment and see what benefits we get from building increments, what characteristics those product increments should have, and ultimately how the product increment is connected to many other things within the Scrum framework. The product increment is one of three artifacts in Scrum. The other two are the product backlog and the sprint backlog. And the product increment, similar to the other two, also has a commitment that comes with it. That is the definition of done. The definition of done describes what needs to be done so that a product backlog item can be considered being part of the product increment. And every product increment should be potentially shippable. The potentially piece makes it clear that it's always a product owner's decision of whether we ship it or not. The shippable piece describes the characteristics that every product increment should meet. And this means a product increment should be in a state, should have a certain quality so that we can ship it to our customers whenever the product owner decides to do that. So now we've understood what a product increment is and what kind of quality criteria or characteristics it needs to meet. Once we have the product increment, we demonstrate it in our sprint reviews. And by demonstrating the product increment in our sprint reviews to our stakeholders, we create the ability, we create the environment to collect feedback. And through that feedback, to learn whether we're meeting our customers, our stakeholders' needs and objectives or not. Based on that demonstration and the feedback we receive, we can inspect and adapt. We can see what else do we need to meet that objective, or whether whatever we have developed so far is good enough with regards to meeting that specific objective, and then we can focus on the next goal, on the next objective, which would also result in a new sprint goal. I hope this brief video gave you a much better understanding of the key characteristics of our product increment and how the product increment helps us to do empirical process control of continuous inspection and adaptation. See you in our next video.